have missed you all. It's been a long minute, hasn't it? How are you all? I hope you're doing well. It's bank holiday weekend. I think we're set to have sunshine for like the rest of the week. As you know from my previous video, I had a lot of computer issues and stuff, and I've managed to now get myself a new computer. Well, it's actually not a new computer, it's actually like a new one of these, an iPad Pro, because I thought it's something Ashton and I can share, because Ashton, if you don't know Ashton, he's my son, and he's 12, but he just shows so much talent and creativity when it comes to animation and art. So, you know what they say, fuel your children's creativity. If your child is passionate about something, then I think it's really good to invest in that thing and try and develop that skill even more. So I decided to get the iPad Pro for both Ashton and I to share. I can edit my videos on it and he can use it for his animation and stuff. He was really wowed by it when it was his birthday and he opened it up. He was really like wowed by it and really excited and everything. But you know what kids are like sometimes, like they're like, you know, they want something so bad, and then they don't want it anymore. He just doesn't use it as much as I thought he would. 3-4 weeks went by and he'd not touched it, and I said, well, I was the only person that had used it. But I said, oh, you're not going to use it? Like, I actually got it mainly for him more than for me. I would have preferred a desktop. I said to him, why are you not using it? And he's like, oh, well, Mum, I don't know really what to draw on it. I don't know what to draw. I'm like, draw anything, just use it in the same way as you would use paper, like, you know. And I've got him some apps as well. I've bought him like a Procreate and some other like animation making software. Anyway, because I've been nagging and moaning, he started to use it more, which is a good thing. Also, I just wanted to say thank you to a couple of people for subbing as well. So thank you, Andrea, and thank you, Nana, for subscribing. Welcome to my home. And Barbara Harris, I have some cooking coming your way very soon, I promise. I have a friend coming around in a few hours. She's going to this festival, Arcadia, and it looks absolutely amazing, I have to say. I think it's like a big rave party festival weekender thing. So yeah, it's happening over the weekend, today, tomorrow, and it's a bank holiday on Monday. And I know quite a few friends that are going, but another friend of mine that I've not seen for such a long time, she's coming over in like a couple of hours because she wants me to do her face up for her for this Arcadia. So I'm gonna glitter her up. Saya went to hide upstairs when she knew. Oh, have you got lash glue at home?
At home, yes.
Yeah. So just maybe take a bit with
Oh,
you
okay, to do that,
in case
yeah,
it
yeah,
gets sweaty and it falls off.
Yeah, I'll take some.
I don't know how well this will. This is okay if you want more of them. If there's any cool. You want dotted anywhere else, right. No?
Yeah. I've got some hair gel.
Yeah?
It should just be on top of my handbag. Yeah, just sort of at a later date do that's cool.
Some more. gem.
Yeah.
Good old 80s vibes.
Oh yeah, you know I love a bit of like 80s. Oh. Oh, hi Eli. Sorry? Are you talking to me? Yeah.
I decided that I would like to be taken up.
Okay then, I'll leave now.
About the rising deaths as a result of mass shootings in America, but also suicides and murders generally. It's not going to eliminate it.
Oh
of course, there'll always
move
be
forward,
murders.
let's see your wedge.
And London, this is where London comes in. There will always be
like a
murders,
step.
and even if somebody has a knife.
There was the biggest orange spider in here, and oh my god, hang on, let me tell. Yeah. There was the biggest orange spider in the car, and I was driving along and it just popped out of nowhere. Big orange thing. And then I tried to use the pen to flick it out, but then it fell in here. It made a web and it was like dangling off the end of the pen, and it's like fallen down. It's in the car somewhere. And I'm just really scared to drive now because it's just going to pop out. Goodness knows where it is. I keep stamping my feet and everything.
Was it fast?
Yeah, it was really fast. And it was orange, like an orangutan. So it's still in here. So beware.
I don't like that.
I don't like it either. That's my biggest fear. Like driving and just like a moth flying out of nowhere or a wasp flying in.
Oh look, there it is.
Are you being serious?
No.
Oh my god, Eli, don't do that. Yeah. Sire the Biscuit Pincher. What's happened to all the biscuits, Sire?
You ate them all.
You ate them all. And did you ever consider that I might want some?
No.
So you're having biscuits for dinner?
No.
Oh my god.
I'm hungry.
Okay. My baby's hungry. Let me go and do some den-dens. Look at this one. Living his best life. He should be doing the dinner. Him. Over there. You should be doing it because your family's hungry. If this was back in caveman days, you'll be out hunting for meat for us. But instead you're sleeping, so your family's gonna perish.
Me. They're sleeping while I have to do dinner. So I'm going to have some coffee and cake. And I'm not going to give him any.
I'm just going to do a little creation with these bits and bobs that I've got here. I'm not entirely sure. No, I'm going to do meatballs with this and with some couscous. And then I'm going to put some chopped apricots in with the mincemeat and some parsley, spring onions. Crush a couple of these bad boys in. Mix it all up, make meatballs. And then I'm going to pour some hot water in here. I'll do that now. In here I've got some harissa paste. So I'm just going to pour in some hot water. I'm gonna put it in the couscous. I'm just gonna roast me some acachon. In they go. Hey look, I got myself one of these choppers off Amazon.
Hey, Aaron.
A bit of salt and pepper. Oh, by the way, guys, look. I'm quite proud of this, actually, because I made it all by myself. My spice collection was way too big. And I had a spice rack that I bought a few years back that's kind of like half the size of this. I've actually got some more spices in there. I've got way too many spices. I think I've got like 2 or 3 of the same ones. So I actually need to condense them down. But I made this spice rack all by myself with the kids' old bunk bed. They had bunk beds and we took the bunk beds apart and threw them away because they were just no good anymore. But the slats were quite decent enough. And these are made out of the bunk bed slats. Look. Here. And I made it all by my little self. Look. I measured and got the jigsaw out and I cut the wood and I glued it all by myself. I don't need no man. I DIY myself. So this isn't quite a cooking tutorial, guys. Wow, my head's shiny. So it's not quite a cooking tutorial. It is just part of today's vlog, really. And if it turns out well, then I'll let you know. I might put the ingredients in the comments. Madam here keeps harassing me for food, don't you? I keep telling her she doesn't know what real hunger is. Do you know what real hunger is? Like really hungry. Well, at least you admit that. Huh? Mm. Yeah, I know you do want something to eat. How many cups of water have you drunk? I've told her to drink a couple of cups of water to fill herself up because she's looking for junk food to eat and I don't have any fruit.
I'm just looking for something to eat.
I know. Well, I don't actually have that much in the house. And I don't have fruit. I mean, state of my fruit bowl right now. Rotting bananas. Well, they're not rotting. I suppose some people actually enjoy eating bananas like this. Aaron was saying to me that a friend of his actually enjoys eating bananas black, but it's too furry for me. Eli, look at your hair. Eli, yeah. What's happened to your hair?
It looks like a crown.
Turn around so let me see. It does look like a crown or like a cap. Look at that.
Caps go forward more. This goes up. This is a crown.
Wow.
I am the king, and you should bow down to me.
What's that smell?
It's the weird soap that you keep buying that smells funny.
It smells fun. It smells.
The first time you bought it,
it smells like shit.
The first time you bought it, I said, it smells weird, and you said, oh no, it's retro, you wouldn't understand how it smells. It's like old fashioned. And then you bought it a second time, and now every time I use it, you say, it smells funny. Why did you buy it then?
Eli's talking about this orange soap. I don't know, you guys must know it. It's called coal tar.
I think it's called disgusting.
It's called coal tar soap. It's orange. And I don't know, for some reason, Eli, it smells slightly funky on you. I think, because is it antiseptic?
I bought this today and it's really good.
It's like an antiseptic. I think it's got antiseptic properties. But on Elijah, it smells everything.
On everyone,
everything. Oh God, I'm so tired, Eli. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes, guys.
It's really good. It's backwards in the camera. Your camera's
what is it? It's strawberry and kiwi. It is nice. Half of it's gone. I bought it for Eli today, and everyone keeps drinking.
I went to get the cucumber drink, and they had none. So the second best thing is just gone.
Tell the viewers how angry you got with me today when I told you to stop playing the computer and to put your clothes away. What happened there?
Of course you would film that, wouldn't you?
Well, I didn't film it, did I? I'm asking.
Because the thing with Mum is, I mean, she had to go with Dad for being like this, but she's also kind of guilty of it sometimes.
What's that?
They use being a parent to their advantage.
Elijah got annoyed with me today because he had a pile of clothes in his bedroom. No, they've only heard your side of it, Eli, haven't they?
I just explained the entire thing.
Well, you know, pile of clothes in his bedroom, put them away. They've been in there for 4 days. Put them away, Eli, put them away, put them away. Did he put them away? No. Anyway, I had enough. I had to put my foot down, went into his bedroom, and he was busy playing an online game. And I said, come off it, or I'm taking your phone away. You put the clothes away now. You had 4 days.
Whenever you put random clothes in my bedroom, I never know what you want me to do with them unless you tell me you want me to put them away. Otherwise, I don't even know.
Anyway, you did it in the end, and now your bedroom is tidy.
Yeah, and the guy that I was playing against might also not like.
No, who cares about the guy? He's Mr. Nobody.
Oh, do you know?
Oh, look at that!
Some for all you know.
Look at you filming me filming you.
That's a smile, or if you're just.
Look, he can smell the food, so he's woken up. Typical.
It's weird. I could smell it when I was upstairs.
Typical man.
In the kitchen, I can't smell anything.
How was your nap?
It's too long, really.
You know, I've been slaving away in the kitchen. And hey presto, there's my meatballs with apricot mishmash thing with couscous or couscous. I've tasted it and I'm not that happy with it, but let's see what the fam lambs say. Okay, so this isn't actually as bad as I thought it was going to be, because the apricot inside the meatballs is quite nice. One thing I think is lacking is a salad. I think it would have been nice to have a nice little cucumber and mint salad thing on the side. I think that would have been quite refreshing. But yeah, what do you think, kids?
It's alright.
It's alright. So it's not oh my god, this is amazing, but it's alright.
Meatballs tasty.
Yeah, the meatballs are the nicest thing in here. So we're about to have a game of Boggle. This is your favourite game, isn't it? This is what it looks like, Boggle. And Saya loves it, don't you?
Yeah. What happens is, so you would have this, and you would shake it up by twisting it, and then shake it. And then you'd set a timer to 2 minutes, and then you try to find as many words as you can in that 2 minutes. And whoever gets the most words at the end wins.
Right, you have to
You can move any direction, but you can't skip letters. And you can't use the same letter twice.
Actually, the way you get
If
points.
you get 4 letters or under, then you get 1 point. And what?
You can't have 1 or 2 letter words.
Let's get on with this, because I'm very tired. Look at my eyes.
Hello, I was speaking here. As soon as she puts the camera on me, it's like, oh okay, wait, Eli, don't like this kid. Moving on.
That's not true. You've been on this a lot
Why
today.
don't you?
Should we play the game?
3 and 4 letter words get you 1 point, 5 letter words get you 2, 6 letter words get you 3, 7 letter words get you 5.
Okay, let's play the game.
Right, I'm ready for the timer. On your marks.
Aaron cheats when he plays this.
Don't need to cheat.
He always pinches my words.
That because you're guilty of always losing.
He always pinches my
Well,
words.
it's been me and Eli's always with the winner. I'm only second, I think.
Go!
Oh, right, okay.
5.
How much?
8.
13.
I got 2.
2.
Ow! I just headbutted my arm.
2 words.
I've got 2. I'm so tired.
Excuses.
Oh.
He's cheating. I'm tired. I can't be bothered. I'm not alive anymore. His usual.
I'm not alive anymore. Okay, well I'll go first. I'm itching.
Oh wait, which way does...
That's just a phone cover then.
We all ready?
Marks, get set. Go. Seven. 10.
I got 7.
I don't believe you.
We both got 7.
I have got 7.
Me and Mum both got 7.
How many have you got, Eli?
8. But
Have you got?
fairly certain that one of them's not a word.
10.
So-
We both got 7.
Oh, but we've got the same. Okay. I'm going to start then.
You cheater.
Good.
Right, first one is mean.
Nope.
How are you spelling that?
M-E-A-N.
It only has one spelling.
With the mean average.
That's spelt the same.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Gnome.
Nope.
N-O-M-E.
It's G-N-O-M-E.
Oh, it's G.
I don't know if
Oh.
N-O-M-E has...
No, it's not a word.
Gnome. You want it. Oh, lucky. Okay, I can still try. You want it to know.
Why do you just want to be angry at me?
Yeah.
Why do you want to be angry at me?
Because you're white.
Mum,
Yeah.
the way you spelled gnome is also correct.
Yeah!
What is it?
I knew
Each of the... No, you didn't.
1 point.
Each of the 36 territorial divisions of ancient Egypt, or an administrative division of modern Greece.
God, see, I'm very clued up. I knew that I wanted to test if you could find it in the dictionary. Right, the next one, damn.
You know Sai is smarter than you.
Nope.
D-A-N.
D-A-M-N, yeah, you can have that.
Yay!
I saw that right at the end of the...
Foe, friend or foe, F-O-E.
got foe.
You got foe. Nod, N-O-D.
I got a nod.
Oh.
I was looking so hard for the word damned.
Day.
Yes, I got that.
I got day.
That was the first one I got.
damn.
Instantly, so...
Dad.
Yep, got Dad.
Oh, so I only got 2 points that round.
May.
I got May.
I got May.
Oh.
Somewhat May.
Yam.
Yam, very good.
Didn't get yam.
Yay.
I'm dumb.
Then.
And then yam backwards is May,
Did you
isn't
say
it?
den?
I didn't get Den.
I didn't get den.
Yay. Ned. If that's a word.
I think it's a name, isn't it?
Huh?
It's Ned a name.
I'm shattered and I couldn't finish playing Boggle. Probably gonna lose anyway, so I'm gonna hit the sack. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching, and I will see you when I see you next time. Good night.